guys, we are on Srijani Shilpogram Mela Utsav. So there is the thing. This is called Kuti Shilpo in Bengali, and this is some beautiful things the people made. This is a picture, oil painting. This is the oil painting picture. This is bamboo stick garden. Some beautiful flowers. This is so fresh. This is the trees, and the people will color it and make it beautiful. And this place is called Lok Ghar. As we see, there is a nameplate written this Lok Ghar, and there are some rooms or some houses. They are very beautiful, and some paintings on it. Just see this, how beautiful painting. This is Patra Chitta Ghar. This is called Paramparik Ghar. You all see na guys, there are some beautiful and unique pictures on it. This is so nice. All the pictures have their own story to explain it. There is a mandir. So there is a palki, and there is a dulhan. How cute she is. This is the traditional of Bengalis. All traditions and all things, all cultures have our own thing. They prepared this location as a Kuti Shilpo or Shilpo Mela, and all the cultures have one place. They are engage all the culture and all these states in a one place, so there people are see this Manipur. Look how beautiful and how creative this. This place is really so beautiful, and if you guys visit this, you have many more places to click pictures, or you feel a peace of this very sweet place. They all look real. If you visit there, there are many things that you never seen any of there. See, this is called Ashok Batika. There are many shops, then you are buy something. They all are handmade. You see there are homemade shops, then you are buy something or you see something, there are unique things. I don't know everything names, but this is the most beautiful place I ever seen in Shantiniketan. So much trees in here and so much flowers. So you think there are most beautiful places now. So this is the Buddha statue, and now I end this vlog. Thank you. So I end this video, and I think everybody will enjoy this video, and see you again in the next video. Till join our channel, and bye.